Traders, I've just taken this trade based on this signal here. What I want to do with the video is show you how to day trade the Australian dollar paired with the USD on a 15-minute time frame. So we'll just run a back test. We're going to go back in time to, I don't know, let's go somewhere over here. That'll do. 30th of November. And we'll run the back test. Let's just kick off here. Simple rules. We need to see these solid bars and keep an eye on the multi-time frame here. The solid bars is the 4H and the 1D. So let's run this, and if you've got the indicators, do the back test, guys. Run it back and do this over and over and over again until you gain confidence in the strategy. So we're just waiting for a green break, given we have a solid green bar under. Okay, we've got it. So what we're looking for now is a pullback, and we'll follow this price swing with our Fibonacci wherever it goes. So let's just mark it like that at the moment. Notice a few things, guys. These yellow lines back here, old daily highs or lows. It'll most likely reach for these or reject off these levels. So keep those marked up. If you see these historical, you can pull them forward. Now play it. Oh, there's a pullback. Very nice. Now what you can do here is grab your Fibonacci, low to high. You want to come into the 50 to 618, and that's a valid entry point. So we'll buy here. Stop loss in the cloud under. But there's a couple of things to be mindful of here, and I'll just show you what they are. Let's clear the drawings, or this one. See this back in here, this thin candle. Have a look left and right. There's a space or a gap. That's an imbalance. Now you want to be careful that this doesn't pull down to rebalance. We do have this feature in one of the indicators. It's in the pin bar pivots, and I've adjusted it or readjusted it to take out the trend lines and just to give us the imbalance. So you can see that it's actually picked up this imbalance here, right? So that's going to be a potential target. And the other thing you've got is a weekly and a daily running through here. That's a daily, and this orange is a weekly. So we'll just mark those up. Weekly or daily, high or low. Okay, so the thing with this would be to place your stop loss under the imbalance and under this. That wasn't a weekly at all. That was my stop loss level. But under the imbalance would be an ideal spot, maybe at these lows over here. Go for a minimum 1 to 1.5, and that coincides with this previous daily high. You can switch these things on and off, right? So there's a setup. Let's play it. Okay, it's respecting, see this line, this yellow line? This is a previous daily high or low. It's respecting that at the moment, and our target is reached. Okay, so we'll just keep running this, see how we go. We've got a bit of a trend going on here. All right, look where it's reaching into, guys, and look at this red dot. Red dot is telling us to prepare for a possibility this rejects off here and we see a pullback. Now, we've also got previous monthly high, a previous daily high, and the red dot. The red dots are telling us price is overextended. We're looking for green opportunities given we have this green bar. So let's just run that and see how we go. Trending, okay, so there you go. There's a red break, but we've got a green multi-time frame under here with the red break. So I'd be mainly looking for the confluence with the indicator. Well, look, you know what? Here's the thing. Okay, this green line back here is bar is history. See this red bar showing here? This is the 1 hour time frame. So if you want to, you could take this trade based on the 15-minute trending down and the 1H going into the cloud, basically, or maybe out of the cloud. This is a 1 hour trend, bearish. So there's nothing wrong with this opportunity here. Again, you want to look at the previous swing high, swing low, and look at this yellow line. This is a previous daily. I'm inclined to run off that, and you could mark that up. Okay, just pull it through, yellow. And again, if you want to grab your fib, 50 to 618 pullback. All right, there's an entry point right there. Let's just see if it pulls back in. And we'll set up a pending order, probably around this 50%, I'd say. It might reject off that. And stop loss, I'm going to go have a look at the previous swing high here. We have a cloud forming. So, yeah, it's in the cloud, but I think I'd want to go above this swing high. We've got or 1 to 5, 1.5R, I should say, around here. We'll run with that and see how we go. I think I probably want to go above these highs, and all right, well, we're going to stretch this out. The 1.5R is the bottom line. I don't want to be trading 1-to-1 risk reward. See what happens here. We haven't even pulled back into it yet, so who knows? We might even miss this trade. Okay, we've got to pull back in. All right, there's your sell. So let's do that. Short, again, stop loss. We've got our level above the previous high. TP 1 to 5R, or 1.5R I should say. Let's just hit the speed on this and run it and see if we get a fill. See if our target's reached. Running with very small lot sizes here. We've made $6 so far, but that could be 60 or 600, depending on the lot size in your account. At least we're having a good win rate. Now, here's the thing. Given that this is trending in a steep trend like this, you can take these pullbacks, right? So high to low, pull back into the 61.8. There's a sell there. This is going a bit quick with the replay, so I'm missing this. But, you know, and even if you grab your fib, you can see that that's pulled into our level, right? So without the signals, we've got the break early in the trend. And I mean, look, if it pulls back like this, we enter short, stop in the cloud, 1.5R. I mean, and you can shift gears with this. If you want to go a minimum of 2R, you're more than welcome. You only need, what, a 30 or 30% win rate with a 2R setup. Now, here's another opportunity to add to your position, possibly, okay, pulling the fib from the high down to the low. Okay, you got the pull back into the 50, so that may have been a fill for you. Stop in the cloud, 1.5R. You can see where we're going with this. Let's run it. Pull back. Okay, we've got another trade here. We'll take that. See the pull back into the mean. Grab your fib. There's your entry point. We see a red bar starting to show down here as well. So there's another entry, short, right here. Run it. See what we get. At some stage, it'll take you out if you keep following the trend down like this. Oh, okay. That's nice. All right. Hold it there. All right. Steep trend again. We've got the bar under. Look at the red bars showing in the multi-time frame down here. This is quite a nice trend. Short position, well, would you have caught that? There's your high to low. And if you're running with the 50 to 618, who knows? You may or may not have caught that. I don't mind that though. So we've got a white bar coming in. You could still trade that. You may have caught that, okay? Starting to flatten out here, green. Okay, this is your exit. Now, if you're in a trade, you see this first green bar, especially when you see this green up arrow or if you see a green dot, you want to exit. See, anywhere in here would have been minimal loss or break even or better. Okay, so you can abandon the trade once you see these green bars kick in. All right, we've got a green breakout. We're really looking for red opportunities. This red dot is an opportunity. This is a stop run. We see a little bit of green creeping in here. This is a bit more of a risk for you. But if it's predominantly red and we see a move like that, treat that as a run for liquidity. And you can trade these with these dots. Okay, so as long as these bars are red, you can trade this red dot or circle. And I would go in right next to the circle or the pullback. Stop above and away we go. Okay, target reached. So we're having quite a nice run here. Here's another break. All right, this is red. We take this one based on swing high to low. Pull back into the 61.8. Okay, there's our breakout. We can short that, sell. Stop loss. Let's have a look. What do we got here? See the previous high? I would go above that. And your TP 1 to 2. There's a weekly down here. Weekly level. See how it's respected this level? Let's just check our risk reward. Short position. Stop is going to go here above the previous high. We want a minimum of 1.5. There's your 1.5. This is a good setup. Just short of this previous weekly low. And this is generally going to get you out of trouble. If this is a trend, as I've mentioned previously, you've got a lower low, a lower high. You're expecting a lower low, lower high, right? If this is your entry, previous, stop above that, target around the low of this previous swing. You would expect in a trend that this price swing low is going to be taken out. So that's a target or a minimum of 1.5R. See how we go with it. We'll run it. But I mean, the win rate at the moment is pretty good. We're well and truly ahead. Target reached. And again, you know, you can use this swing now to shape up to set up your next trade. So we've got a trend. We can see the trend channel lines trending down. We've got another break here with the red triangle. So high to low, pull back. There's only one thing with this. See this channel. It's generally pretty good. These channels and what have you that we've got here are all based around variations of the average true range. If we pull the fib from high to low, an ideal entry is going to be at the base of this. We've got this cloud, these red dots here. So that's going to be where I place my short pending sell. Be right on those dots, maybe slightly under. Stop in the cloud like that. And you know, you don't have to go previous high. There's your target. This is starting to trend down now. But, you know, mark up your previous level there. Potential target here. We've got a 1.8, so we could stretch our stop a little bit. We're really looking for the 1.5. 1.5R comes into this low here. Play it. Do we get a pullback? Okay, we didn't get a fill on that one. Let it go. No worries. Cancel. See what shapes up. Now we've got a new swing starting now. Mark up your swing, high to low, down to this previous daily low. It's respecting it. Short position, I'm going to go with the fib pullback, go with the low of these dots here. This is the cloud, so you could do that. Stop above there, perfect. Well, 1.5R takes me down to about here. See how we go with that. Play it. Do we get a fill? Yeah, maybe just within a pip or so. Okay, so another profitable trade. We could assume that filled. You may or may not have filled, but that's okay. Green, okay, this is a warning. If you're in this trade and, you know, for whatever reason, this is where you bail. When you see this up arrow, these green bars coming in, close in the money or at break even. Guys, we'll just take a quick interval. I want to show you my website and a little bit about me here. Prop firm, this is why Mega Funded are my preferred prop firm. If you use my affiliate link down here, click on the link in the description below the video, and you jump on board with Mega Funded, have a look and see, first of all, what we have here. They're running a promo at the moment. See up top left here, 25% discount on their challenges. Check out phase 1, phase 2, 25% off. This is a great opportunity. And if you use my affiliate link, gain access to our indicators, and I'm going to offer you 50% off these prices. They're already incredible value. To qualify for your 50%, shoot me an email, go to the contact page, and down in here, tell me that you've started a challenge with Mega Funded using the affiliate link. Please give me 50% off the VIP. And VIP, you have TradingView indicators, all of our signals, Telegram group, advanced trading tutorials, etc. I decided to speed up the video for the rest of the video. Now you can see that this has been a very successful outcome. I've done a bunch of videos on these. I would invite you to go to the playlist and you'll see all the videos on the 15-minute scalping day trading strategy. We are getting to the end of the chart or the playback, and as you can see, this result here is the initial trade we took prior to starting the replay, and it's running quite nicely at the moment. So guys, jump on board with us, tradingwithanthony.com, comment, don't forget to smash the likes, hit the bell, subscribe to YouTube, and jump on board our free Telegram group. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next one.